Pizza rolls, pizza rolls, pizza rolls, pizza rolls. I am the pizza rolls.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Random Facts with Rikin.
Did you know your asshole can spread up to 8 inches wide, therefore a raccoon can fit in your ass?
I can fit a whole jar of jelly beans up my ass.
What the f***, dude? Where did you learn that?
Yeah, but it's true. Raccoons can go into holes 4 inches wide.
Stop!
Yeah?
Can you just have a look at this strange-looking box over here?
TNT. I wonder what that stands for. Torture, necrophilia, and tortoises.
Boys.
Yeah! Oh boy, I can't wait for some Communism.
I'm gonna pray to Yeetus for the fetus that we're about to delete us.
Come at me, you Fortnite plebeians! I bet you still eat your mothers with
What the f***?
Unnecessary?
Hug, come here, Rikin, come here.
Hug.
Can I have a hug?
Hug the Pikachu, Rikin. Be gentle, though.
Hug.
Be gentle,
Hug.
he's small, be gentle.
Hug.
What are you doing up there, Rikin?
Hug.
He's gonna sacrifice you, Rikin! He wants the soul stone! Get away from him! Oh, you never listen to me. You know, if you end up dead, it's not my fault, Rikin.
My daughter is already dead.
Oh.
Oh,
You came to the wrong Minecraft server, bitch.
These gangs of Steves are getting really out of hand.
Give us the diamonds, bitch!
I want you to a fucking re-off.
Break. Guys, hold on 1 second. I'll be right back. Someone's knocking on my door.
What happened?
I got the cops called on me.
For what? For what?
Hello, fellow party people. Are you ready to get crunk? Show me how anime women and get crunk on the dance floor. Yeah, they just stick their middle finger out at people for no reason because they're socially awkward and don't know how to converse, even online, through a virtual reality program. All right, that's cool. Yeah, this club's beat. I'm going to the fucking bar. What's up, big titty bitch? How are you?
Where's the Monty Lebowski? Hey, Thumb, wrestle me, bitch. The fuck?
Oh, what is happening anymore?
Oh my god.
Oh god. Who's pet crocodile?
What's that dude breathing so hard? What is happening? Are you okay?
Jesus.
I didn't.
Your name! The fucking name!
Spit on me.
No!
Please don't do that. Please don't.
Stop! You're so innocent. Hey, you.
Sure.
What should I do to you?
Spit on me.
Quit looking at me! What are you- Get away from me! Ah! Shit.
Spit on me.
No!
Spit on me.
No! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
Spit on me.
No! Stop it!
Spit on me.
No! Get away from me! No, get the fuck out of my stall! No!
You want to see my power level, huh? All right then. You like jazz?
Oh fuck.
But I can go further beyond this.
Oh no.
This is known as a Super Saiyan times 2.
Oh my god. That's beautiful.
But this is to go even more beyond Super Saiyan. You like smooth jazz?
Hey, sorry I took so long. There was a huge fucking battle.
Is everybody okay?
Ma'am?
Everything's great. We have a girl coming for you. And listen, it's actually crazy.
don't talk?
It's actually crazy because she
Goodbye.
watched the stream and she said she actually thinks you're cute and wants to have fun with you.
I know, even someone like you
Hey, I
can
don't trust
bring in
you,
a
big
girl.
man.
I'm a fucking. I do this every day. You know how many people I've gotten laid? You
Two?
need to be smooth. Drop me your best pickup
3?
line right now when she comes in.
Okay,
Yeah.
hey, do you smoke cigarettes?
No, it's a horrible
Oh.
habit, and you're gonna die of cancer if you do.
Well, I was just wondering because I wanted to get you lit, you know, and put your butt in my mouth.
Does that work? I don't know.
Hey, he's virgin, you know.
Virgin? Babe! This Lolly just called me a virgin! Defend my honor! Babe!
Hey, seems like you're alone, stupid.
If you don't come, he's not gonna believe that I have a girlfriend. He's gonna make fun of me to his Lolly friends. She's coming, dude. Tell her. Tell him.
Oh, my lord.
Say it. We had sex.
We've had sex.
Yeah!
Oh shit!
Oh my god, Rob. Hey, you got to be.
Rob, I met this guy earlier in a presentation room and he called me Big Chungus.
Probably the nicest thing anyone has called you this week. Let's be real.
What do you mean?
Hey, is it happening? I gotta show you something. Wait, what if all you guys do this staring thing at me at once?
My fellow Japanese people that totally aren't white. I like your suit. Where'd you get it? Armani? Gucci? Louis Vuitton?
Gucci?
Is it Gucci or is it like some Japanese off-brand shit?
I don't know, bro.
No? I mean, you're wearing it. You should know where you get it. It's like a borrowed suit.
Yeah.
Yeah? Why are your legs so long compared to your torso? Why are your arms so short compared to your legs? Why are your hands so small compared to your face? Why is your face so small in general?
Sometimes it just happens.
Okay. And, yeah, you're just a cat person. All right. Very original.
Hoyo.
Hoyo.
Hoyo is like a hug.
Hoyo.
My team's apparently good.
Wait, what the fuck? He's on a little rocket.
Or fireworks. Where's the... Holy shit. That was so loud. Holy fuck.
Makes you look like a girl. I guess I'll be Bastion then.
Somewhere, dude.
Yeet! Yeet! Yeet!
I swear that barrel just moved.
Nah, that ain't me, fam.
It kind of looks like you a little bit. Hey, come back here!
No! No!